pay attention now, because there's not much you can do except depend on the context if you want to ask, what do you teach? Or what is your name? Because these two words then, these two sentences, or these two characters, to be called something and to teach something, are pronounced more or less the same here. It's just a tiny bit of tonal difference there. So, 你叫什么 is what is your name, and 你叫什么 is what are you called. Good. There's an even more important distinction here that many of my students are unable to make, so I want you to notice this now. It's when there's a J involved in Chinese, then we pronounce it like a J. I think that makes a lot of sense. But many of my students, they pronounce it like a E, not like a J simply. Especially Swedish people will do this now. But all of my other students, many of them have actually done the same mistake, so it's worth mentioning at least. So we have jiao, and that comes with a J, and therefore we should pronounce it like a J, like jiao, jiao. If we don't though, if we pronounce it without a J, it would be yao, yao. And that would actually be Y-A-O, and that is yao, as in I want something. So be very, very careful when you say jiao. Please make sure you pronounce J, make sure you pronounce the J. Otherwise, instead of saying 你叫什么, we're actually saying 你要什么, and that means what do you want? So what is your name would be 你叫什么, and what do you want is 你要什么. Hopefully you can tell the difference from listening to me here, and then once you're able to tell the difference, you can start differentiating it on your own as well when you speak. So 你叫什么 and 你要什么. Wonderful. Let's have a listen to 你要什么, how that would sound.
你要什么？这个，好吧。哇，你好穷啊！